At first, it seems simple. More blades mean more air, right? If 3 blades work, then 10 blades should work even better. That's what many people think, but the answer is much more interesting. How exactly a fan works? Before understanding the number of blades, we should first need to understand how a fan works. A fan doesn't create air from nowhere, instead, it pulses and moves the air around us, which is already present. As the blade spins, they cut through the air and force it downward or forward, creating airflow. The shape and number of blades decide how efficiently that air moves. What if a fan had 2 blades? Let's imagine a fan with only 2 blades. 2 blades can actually spin faster because there is less material and less resistance. They are lighter and cheaper to build. But there is a problem. Because there are fewer blades, the airflow can feel less smooth. The fan may create more vibration and balancing become harder. That's why two-blade fans are not very common in homes. What if we keep adding more blades? Now let's go in the opposite direction. What if we keep adding blades? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10. You might think more blades automatically mean stronger airflow, but here comes the surprise. More blades create more air resistance, which engineers call drag. The motor now has to work harder to rotate all those extra blades. More resistance can reduce speed and less efficiency. So after a certain point, adding blades doesn't really help much. Why 3 blades become popular? This is where 3 blades enter the story. 3 blades became a sweet spot. They provide smooth airflow. They keep the fan balanced. They don't create too much drag and they don't overload the motor. So, manufacturers discovered that 3 blades often provide a practical balance between performance, energy, use, and cost, a common misconception. Now, here's something many people don't know. Not all fans use 3 blades. Many ceiling fans have 3 or even 5 blades. Some industrial fans use different design too. Extra blades can sometimes make fans quieter or improve appearance. So 3 blades aren't a universal rule. They are simply a smart engineering choice in many situations. So, next time you look up at a spinning fan, remember this. Those 3 blades aren't there by accident. Behind that simple design are physics, balance, efficiency, and clever engineering. And sometimes the best solution isn't having more, it's just having enough. Subscribe for more curious facts and hidden science around everyday things.